Hey guys, it's Carrie the Paper Monkey. Thank y'all so much for dropping in on this video. This beautiful journal comes from my friend Debbie DePaul, and her channel is Debbie Doing Debbie Things. I'm going to have it linked. I'm going to do a quick flip through for you because I just wanted to brag on her a minute. I did. I just wanted to brag on her a minute. She's really a fantastic creator, and I knew she had a good eye for color. I like her style, but until I got the journal in person, I just was like, oh my goodness, I'm just blown away. So let's get into it. Let's get into this. Detachable charm. Dangle. But look at how Debbie's gonna have to give me some lessons, I think, because I want to learn how to make this. She's covered this with paper, but the colors that she's used are they're just perfect. They're just all so perfect. Debbie, I can't thank you enough. This is just a beautiful. Look, I never think to use this stuff in my dangles. Oh, but I will now. Debbie. Oh, this is pretty. You'll see all these different kinds of fiber. Now, I have this. I have used this. I love this. I have this in black and in red. And then that's that. Oh, my goodness. Oh, look at this one. That's elastic. Oh, Debbie, that's so cute. Let's see. What is this? Oh, my goodness. Look at that. It's a bouquet, huh? That's exactly what that is. And then her button. Look at this butterfly. Oh, Debbie, that's cute. And then a button. Look at that little charm. Oh, my. I want to sit down and make charms now. So inspiring to get these handmade items from other creators. You know, it just makes me want to do better, you know. Look at Debbie's stitching. She has stitched this so almost perfectly, Debbie. God, my stitches don't. But I blame mine on Samuel L. Jackson. Y'all know I'm going to blame Samuel L. Jackson. But look how pretty this lace piece is here. Ooh, that's pretty, Debbie. The whole inside. This is all Pioneer Woman fabric. I love it. I love this. Debbie, you did good. You're just brilliant. I have a ton of these and I never do this. Oh, we need to have a mass make doing these, don't you think? Maybe I'll do that. Y'all somebody else do it too. Let's do Rolodex ephemera. Let's do it. That's so cute, Debbie. And you put a little brad in it. I love it. See? I love this collage. It's really so helpful for me. I love to see how other people create. This is a vintage Yahtzee too. I have some of these. I haven't pulled these out in forever. I need to do that. Look at this little tab. That's a miniature one. Oh, wow. Look at how that came out. Debbie, that's that big stamp punch, huh? How cool is that? This is beautiful. I hope y'all don't mind. I hope y'all like looking through these things because I love it. I love to just flip through. And I have journals from other creators. I have been thinking about, y'all let me know in the comments what you think. I have been thinking about pulling some of those journals and doing flip throughs because it's been a long time since and I know I have a lot of new subscribers, a lot. Thank y'all very much. But if y'all want me to flip through other creators, I love to promote other people. Y'all already know that. And if I could very easily do a little quick 10-15 minute flip through, you know, showcasing the wonderful creators on here. So y'all let me know in the comments if y'all want me to do that, because I will. I sure will. Look at how she's tied this off. Debbie, you are brilliant. This is brilliant. I never tie off like this. Girl, stop the madness. Look at this, Ideals. How beautiful. I'm telling you, please go follow Debbie. If you're not following Debbie, you really, she's just got, look at this. Look how beautiful these are. Look at this. Look at her little flowers. She's added her little pearl accent. The detail in which she creates, it's really good stuff. Notes and names and music. Boy, it's almost like it was made for me. I mean, it's just, I love the Pioneer Woman fabric. The colors are absolutely beautiful. The map, the pocket. Look at this one. I love this. Y'all, why don't I ever tie off like that? Debbie, you are inspiring the heck out of me. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I would never think to do that. Golly, thank you, Debbie. And look, that's just a sliver of an emboss. It's probably a scrap. Beautiful collage work, Debbie. Beautiful. I love these tabs. Golly, that is so cool. This shape. Oh, Debbie, you're going to have to tell me where this shape came from. Is that a punch? I've never seen that shape before. Never stop. Okay, Debbie, I won't. I will not. That is cool. Oh, my good. Okay. No, I like a good flip out. Literally. Debbie, that is really... Okay, I like that a lot. Something as simple as this little lace, and I have almost every color, and I never think to use this. Not like this. I never think to use it just to trim off a page. This is just absolutely wonderful. I love the paper. I'm sure it's a digital, but it's absolutely beautiful. It's perfect. It's all so perfect, Debbie. Look at how she did this. Look at that. Thank you so much, Debbie. This is with a pressed flower, and then look what she did. The attention to detail, I'm telling you, it's unbelievable. Look, okay, we need to do these. We need to do a video, altered playing cards. Debbie. Friendship. Now look at this one. I would never think to tie off like this. And it's such a statement piece because it hangs out of the bottom, but not so much that you can't just tuck it back in and, right? This is beautiful. These are beautiful. Wow, look at that. I love me some junk journal jewelry. I do. I'd choose to be a daisy. And look what she did. Debbie, you are making me up my junk journal creating game. Look at this. All of it coordinating. Look at this. These look exactly like this. And it's just torn. I never tear pages either. I'm going to start doing that though. I've seen so many people do it and it's such a beautiful look. I just never do it. Debbie, look at this. I'm obsessed, Debbie. And then on top of that, she was so generous to send me a goodie pack. Extra, I call it lagniappe. Whenever I send journals, I send lagniappe with it. Lagniappe just means in Cajun French, a little something extra. But look at all these goodies she sent along. This is very generous, Debbie. Look at that. Oh my good, look at this, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm gonna have journaling for days, y'all. All these little tucks and cards and that I can journal in and add to my journal. These little banners. Debbie, this is very generous. Look at that. That's one of those things that I'm obsessed with. And all the journal, all the little banners and tickets. Oh, Debbie, oh my goodness, y'all, it goes on forever. These are beautiful. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. And then a driver's daily log. Debbie, you really did a fantastic job, and I can't thank you enough, my friend. Thank you so much for dropping in on this video. I will definitely have Debbie's channel linked for you to go check her out if you would, please. Go check Debbie out and give her a follow, and let's show Debbie some love for all her artistry and this beautiful, beautiful journal. Thank you so much for dropping in, like I said earlier, and I do hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I'm gonna have writing in my new junk journal. Thanks, and we'll chat soon. Bye.